Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I am Omotola, and if you're new here, you are most welcome. As you can probably tell from the title, I am showing you my wash day routine. So prior to this, I took down some braids and I just sectioned my hair as I did that. And so I'm just going to show you what I do to my hair when I wash it. So I'm just taking down my sections with the help of some water in a spray bottle and my detangling comb. I'm just going to go ahead and take down all of my sections. So for those of you who are OGs on this channel, you know that my hair is almost a year since my big chop, and I'm actually quite impressed with all of my progress so far. So I will be definitely making a video to show you my 1 year post big chop progress. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you a length check. I do this for almost all of my videos to just show you my progress and just let you know how we're going. So we're almost at mustache level and I'm actually quite happy with that. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the conditioner and shampoo that I have been using, and this is for my hair, and I have been using this also heavenly conditioner and shampoo. It's actually quite mild because I didn't want to go for anything that had alcohol or anything that had any harsh product in it. These have been working very well for me. So this is the first shampoo wash for my hair. I'm just applying this liberally to my hair because my hair is still wet from the spray bottle. So I'm just going ahead to give my scalp a thorough scrub, and I try to do this with the tip of my nails. Okay, so ideally I do this in the bathroom and it just makes my life easier, but because I'm filming and I want to show you all of the process of what I'm doing, that is why I'm doing this in my bedroom. Okay, so this is the first wash complete. I'm just going to go ahead and wash out all of the shampoo and to go in with the second wash. Okay, so this is my hair after the first wash or the first rinse. So I'm going in again with the shampoo and I'm just going to continue to scrub out all of the gunk and the residue from products and build-up and whatnot from my scalp, and I'm going to rinse that out and go in with my conditioner. Okay, so this is my hair after the second rinse out, and I've dried my hair a bit with a t-shirt. I hear that it is the best to dry your hair and it has really helped with breakage and whatnot. So I'm going in with the conditioner and I'm just going to be applying this liberally as well onto my hair. I'm not sectioning out my hair just yet because I just want to apply the conditioner. I think I should actually start sectioning out my hair because it's not as short as it used to be. So for me to be able to manage my sections and all of that, I think I'm just going to have to start sectioning out my hair. So this is what I do to deep condition my hair. I do this at least once a month or when I don't have protective style in. So I take out a section. I usually separate my hair into 4 sections. So I take out a section, comb it out, completely detangle it, and then I just section it out and I continue with the rest of my hair. So I'm just going to go in with a plastic bag. Usually I use my shower cap, but for some reason I can't find it. So this worked as well. I'm just going to be securing this at the back of my head, and then I'm going to be topping it up with the t-shirt that I dried my hair with. And I'm going to leave this for a good 30 minutes. Sometimes I leave it for longer. I probably just go and do chores and I come back and I rinse it out. So this was probably about 45 minutes later, because I remember that I didn't rinse out my hair after my alarm went off. So I'm just going to go ahead, take down the plastic, take down the sections, and just completely rinse out my hair. Okay, I also forgot to mention that sometimes for my deep conditioning, I usually add eggs or just the yolk of an egg to my conditioner, and this just helps gives my hair a volume and shine. Okay, so after I've rinsed out all of the conditioner for my hair, this concludes the rinse or the washing process of the hair, and I'm just going to show you what I do to lock in moisture in my hair. So I'm going in with this second spray bottle that has my leave-in conditioner, which is my cancer leave-in conditioner, and water. And once that is liberally sprayed into my hair, I'm going to go in with my homemade oil that I made from aloe vera, avocado, and some essential oils like eucalyptus oil, tea tree oil, neem oil. I will be making a video of how I made this oil, and just keep watching for that. So I'm just going to apply some of that to my palm, and I'm going to rub this in my hair. This has helped with hair growth, it has helped with the dandruff, it has also helped with itching on my scalp. So my edges though still need a lot of work, but I'm starting to see progress. I have been doing some massaging therapy to the edges, but it's a slow process, but it's starting to grow back and all of that. So I have been adding Jamaican castor oil as well. You see me applying that to my edges and just the perimeter of my hair. Really, I apply some of that also onto my palm, and I just massage it into my scalp. Now, I know some of you may have heard about massaging your scalp, and truly I want to attest to the fact that that thing really does work. Massaging my scalp has really helped with hair growth. It has helped with stimulating my dead or numb or dysfunctional hair follicles, and this has really helped. Now, to cap it all up, I'm just going to go in with my African, or let me say my Nigerian shea butter, and this was directly from Nigeria, and I'm just going to be applying a very healthy portion of that to my hair, and this just locks in all of the moisture, guys. When I tell you this thing locks in moisture, it keeps my hair moisturized for days. I mean, I could forget to moisturize my hair a day or two, and it will still remain moisturized. It will still remain soft and very pliable. Then I'm just going to go ahead and section off my hair, and I'm just going to make big plaits or just big cornrows, or let me just call them plaits, because I'm just going to leave them that way and let my hair dry that way. Now, this does two things. It helps my hair stretch as it dries, and it also gives me some sort of protective style in a manner of speaking. This just helps me wear my hair around the house in a somewhat manageable fashion, and I'm not having to comb my hair every single morning. Sometimes I take it down and I rebraid. Sometimes I just leave it like that. Sometimes I really just cornrow my hair, and this just helps with straightening my hair and keeping it moisturized and keeping all of the moisture locked in. So when I'm done braiding all of the sections, I just go in with this spandex skull cap, and I put this on overnight, and this is basically all that I do to stretch out my hair. And by the next morning, my hair is all dry. All I have to do is take down all of the sections and apply my dermatol. I find this very stimulating for my scalp, and this just gives my hair extra tingle. The sulfur in it is so stimulating for my scalp, and it just causes blood flow. It stimulates my hair follicles to just start growing. And I just go ahead to assist with the process by just massaging my scalp, and then I proceed to comb out all of the sections, and the comb just slides through it because of the shea butter that I put in it the night before. And all I do is just go in with a scarf and I style the hair as I want, sometimes in a ponytail, but still a bit too short for a ponytail, but I just like to leave this huge poof on the top of my head, tie the scarf, and I am basically set. That is it for this video, guys. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you in my next one. Goodbye, guys.